This is a snowstorm that I've been dealing with inside of me and I'm tired of it. Let's see what topic I get. I'm going to pull this lever. Snowstorms. Okay, time to prep. Okay, time to speak. Let's see how that goes. Snow for some is a form of water, while some could say that the gods are angry on us, thus the snowstorms. Well, is it not the nature trying to balance the havoc that humans have created? I'm going to talk about the snowstorm that I am dealing inside of me. The rage that I'm filled up when I hear that taking care of home is a woman's job. The rage that I'm filled with when a woman is compared to nothing behind the name of traditions and rules that the society has set up way back when the life of a woman was just limited within the four walls. I'm filled with rage where I see that a woman's job is never really done. I'm filled with frustration to see that a woman has to do everything, yet she's proven about nothing. They just slide it off to say it could have been just luck, or she could have got some form of support from her partner, husband, or father. She's nothing by herself. This is a snowstorm that I've been dealing with inside of me, and I'm tired of it. I want to come out of it and see a world where you actually see a woman for who she is beyond the names and traditions that she's been given.